Mutaburuko wa mawatho 14 maria marekereirio ni President Uhuru Kenyatta niguo thirikari ihokete gucenjia mwerekera wa graph ya COVID-19 guku bururi-ini.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Kwambiriria utuku wa tariki 4 mweri uyu kafyu iriambagiriria thaa 4 cia hwaini nginyagia thaa 10 cia rucini na iguthie na mbere nginyagia tariki 3 mweri wa Januari mwaka ukite.
And to protect government staffers drawn from vulnerable groups, I direct that all state and public officers aged above 58 years or who are immunocompromised to work remotely. This with the exemption of those serving the nation in critical sectors.
Mishimanio ya muingi na makiria ya ateti iria ikoretwo ikigomithania makiri ma andu matekurumirira mawatho ma COVID-19, President ari umwe wa aria makoretwo makimitafania etikirite ni icungiriirie kwambatira kwa murimu uyu na riu mishimanio ta ino irirumagirira mutaratara mweru wa gutigirira no gakundi kanini tuka andu karacamania.
Anyone wishing to hold such meetings should do so in town halls, and in doing so must observe all COVID protocols, including limiting the attendees to 1/3 seating capacity of the hall and the wearing of face masks.
Na guku irafu na mikawa ikinyihanyihirio mathaa ma wendia maria marithiraga thaa 3 cia hwaini, kanitha iguthie na mbere na kurumirira mawatho maria merega kwanirirwo guku ministry ya ugitiri igitanywo guthondeka gikundi kia mwanya kia maafitha aria megukorwo na wigiririki wa gutigirira mawatho mothe ma COVID-19 marumirirwo.
Made up of the National Police Service, the National Government Administration Officers, supplemented by the County Government Inspectorate Units to jointly enforce all COVID protocol.
Ritarire President ni oreti ya Kenya manyitanire ugaine wa urumwe wa gutigirira o mundu ni erumirira mawatho ma kwigitira kumana na murimu wa COVID-19.
And to enhance civic responsibility, the national government and county governments have today resolved that going forward, services will not be rendered to anyone who does not abide by the Ministry of Health protocols, and in that regard, I call on the private sector to join the government in the public sensitization campaign dubbed No Mask, No Service. Bila barakoa, hakuna huduma.
Thirikari cia kaunti iria ikoretwo ikirituhirwo ni murigo wa murimu uyu thutha wa guo gutamba kaunti-ini ciothe ni ciuritio ithie na mbere na kwihariria kuona gutire mundu wi mwerekera uria murimu uyu gutwara bururi matuku meguka. Kiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.